swing out of caution to get the courtesy 2 laps. We'll get through the car. Go, 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 go. That's good. All right, ladies and gentlemen, after the call, 77C of Joe McCole lead them all. Trey Collins, Nicholas Rollball, left down that single row, out of 4. My goggles. I lost my white goggles. I had my last I had my good repair already. I got off of Wish or something like that a couple, 2-3 years ago. I'm down I think on my last visit out here, I left them on my scooter. They must have flew off on the highway or something. Joe Gold out front. Trey Collins down on the inside of Nicholas Ronnebaum in a 3. And a 4. After 4. Joe McDowell, can he hold on to it? He's got a 7-inch top throttle, 1 and 2. Nicholas Ronnebaum down the back to Brent Beaumont makes the outside pass around a 23 of Trey Collins. But a 77 thing, Joe McDowell, can he hold on to it? He's got pressure, heavy pressure from the 7-in of Nicholas Ronnebaum. Out of 2, looks him over on the inside, barrels it back into the top side, into 3, bottom side, out of 4. Trey Collins goes 3 upon the 2. I've been the cooking. Nicholas Ronnebaum, look at the bottom side, out of 2. Joe McDowell, top side, down the back straight. Up front, the 77C. Come out, come out, come out, come out, come out, come out. Trey Collins will have to tuck it in the rear of the field. He stepped on it right here, 3 and 4. We'll see what he's got from the rear. He ain't got many to get it done in. But we'll see what he can do. I told my wife on the way down into Concordia this evening. He's been running better and better every race. I said faster and faster to start with, but I ain't sure if that's what that is. But he's been looking good. Trey Collins. Brent Beaumont right there in the 58 field. Big turn. Trey Collins got the onboard. Let me find that. I'm going to surely drop that on you. Caution light still out, ladies and gentlemen. Caution light still out. Slow and easy. Bob Potts down there in your Wildside Creative Concordia Raceway Victory Lane. Waiting for your winner to meet him down there. Will it be Joe McDowell, Brent Beaumont, Nicholas Ronnebaum, Trey Collins, the 40S, or Kate Groff? Out of 4. It's game time. Look at the rear end of him on the backside, top side, out of 4, out of 4. There you go. Gotta put your 7-in up front. You know what it is. Game over. 17. Flag, let it go. Halfway, that's down by. Halfway. 9 more to go. This time by for your leader. Nicholas Monobomb. Oh, trade drive. Couldn't get it a turn. Top side of 3 and 4. Can he hold this one together in 3 and 4? Not today! Down. 5 to go this time. 5 to go. I'll let him know. You got him over. Oh! Caution. I didn't even see it. I thought something broke on the 7 end and Nicholas Monobomb. Assuming there's debris out on the track. Officially, yes it is. Looks like a tube. Head or something. Yes sir, that baby's hot. He kicked it down there. Nice kick. Nice lift kick. 2 of them. Very good. Alrighty. Got the debris cleaned up off the track. I didn't even see it go out there. But I'm blind in one eye and can't see out the other. Help me. Twelve down. 18 to go. Nicholas Monobomb out front. Best lap so far is Nicholas Monobomb. 691, ladies and gentlemen. He's got Tobin Dole and the 58B of Brett Beaumont out of Concordia, Kansas. Right there in T3. Down the back stretch. Can he hold on to it, pick it up? Last lap right there with a 16.843. 16.843. Nicholas Monobomb. Fastest lap at 15 laps with a 17.059. 17.059. I was looking at the wrong thing. Lap is his 13th lap with a 16.843. 16.843. Nicholas Monobomb out of 4, picking up Concordia Raceway.